Good morning from Costa Beach Resort here in Vero Beach, Florida. We are back for another beach holiday vacation here at Christmas time. Longtime viewers of the channel will remember we were here last year for Christmas. We were just here for 2 nights this time, spending a short time at the beach because we love it so much. Ernie is over here. Good morning, buddy. And hello. Hello, everyone. And we're checking out one of our favorite features here, the Service Dog Relief Area, which is right in front of the hotel. And it's not just the Service Dog Relief Area, it's the All Dogs Relief Area, because this hotel is pet friendly. Another reason to book your stay here at Costa. We are not affiliated with them. This is not an ad. We're not doing a collaboration. We just really like this hotel and would totally recommend it. Obviously, because we came back. This is the parking lot over here, and we're gonna make our way here down the boulevard and grab some breakfast. Make our way out here. You can get a little bit of a view of the decorations. It's so pretty here at night. I'll show you that here. I'll put in a little clip right now. See? Isn't that pretty? How they have the trees lit up green and the Christmas wreath. It looks so good. So good. So pretty. Hi, buddy. Do you want to give the room tour? Where are you going? Come back over here. We're going to give the room tour. Hello. We are back at Costa. We stayed here last Christmas, and we are back again for another stay because it was so delightful. We're going to take you around the room and show you what we've got. This is a king-size room. Right when you come in, there's a utility closet there that is locked, but then you have your closet right over here. Excuse our stuff. A rather large suitcase, my backpack, and you've still got more room for other space. You've got a luggage rack, 2 very nice robes, and you've also got a shelf up here. Again, sorry about our stuff, but you can see that there is ample room as we've had a lot of Christmas presents already delivered and are set to be wrapped. Got our ironing board over there and iron. No extra blanket and pillow, but you know what? We're in Florida, so I don't think we need it. There's our door where we came in, and then on the other side here, you have the bathroom, and there's a lot of counter space, as you can see, and you've got a very big sink that's deep. Got all of your products right here, soaps, towels. There's even a little stool under here if you need to sit down with more towels. Got a little bit of storage over here in your hair dryer. And nope, just the one drawer. And then you've got the trash bin over there. And then you have this beautiful oval shower that has 2 heads and a seat and is very luxurious. Look at this. This is one of my favorite features. The double shower head. Very fancy. And then you have your bath products, your shower gel, conditioner, and a shampoo. Sorry, there's a little bit of an echo now that I have stepped into the gigantic shower chamber. Can't wait to jump in here and wash off the plane travel that we just had. That'll be in a separate video. It was not actually that bad. It's just, you know, long day of traveling during the holidays. It's nice to take a very good shower when you get to your hotel. So now we'll come out here into the main room. As we said before, this is a standard view king room. So we have our king bed there, and you come over here, and Ernie is looking for the USBs because he knows that we will be charging things. And look at this. There's a separate connector with 2 regular plugs and 3 USBs. Awesome. There's also a couple there on the clock. So that's fantastic. They know you need to charge things. Got your pillows here. You've also got your in-room breakfast. If you want to do that, you just make your selections and leave that on the door. Over here, we have another little counter with your phone, in-room dining, scan for menu, pad and paper in case you need to write anything down, and 2 more wall outlets over here. Over here on our table and chairs, as you can see, they have provided us with a complimentary glass of champagne to get the festivities started here on our Christmas vacation. So you've got your table here, 2 chairs, and you've also got 2 chairs out here on the patio. We'll go out there in a second and show you our partial beach view, which is kind of incredible. Got a lamp over here. We've got Arnie's stuff over here by the recycling bin. And then you have this gigantic counter space, which is awesome. You've got your TV and storage. No. Storage. Yes. Got drawers. 1, 2, 3. 3 drawers. Very large size. Very nice. And then in here, if I remember correctly, is the safe. Yep. And the mini fridge. There we are. Open that up. Yep. All set. Everything we need. We're here for 2 nights, and it's gonna be great. Okay. Want to get some food? Oh no, wait, we have to show them outside. We have to show them outside. Okay, hang on, we're gonna go outside. Okay, now we're out here on the balcony, which Odie does not, well, he sort of likes the balcony, sort of not. He doesn't want to get near the edge. He's afraid of heights, which is cool. I like him over here on the side anyway. And then, there you go. There's our ocean view. Look at that. And a little view of the pool. Which I'm probably gonna have to re-record over this because there's music playing and it's probably copyrighted. Okay, now we're back inside and we're gonna get changed and we're gonna go grab some dinner. Do you wanna get some dinner? Yeah? Wanna go outside? Yes. Oh, we're ready. We're excited. Okay, we'll see you guys in a minute. Hey everyone, sorry about all that wind noise. It is just crazy windy out here on the beach today. So much so that we couldn't even put the umbrella up. It was going to blow away. Ernie doesn't seem to mind it. He's totally relaxed, sitting in the beach chair here. We're out on the beach. We're still having a good time. Because we can't put the umbrella up, it's probably going to lessen our time out here on the beach because we don't want to get sunburned, but we're still going to take advantage of our beach chairs on this beautiful day and sit out here and relax and take care of some of the amenities, which are included in your resort fee. You get these 2 beach chairs, towels. There's also beach cruiser bike rentals, pool concierge services, and 2 bottles of water in your room when you arrive. You also get a welcome drink. We're having a mojito out here on the beach. And it is... Hi, buddy. Are you so happy at the beach? Are you so happy? Yes. We love the beach. The beach is the best, right? Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Too excited. Too excited and happy. Too excited. Oh, here comes the water. Oh dear. Yes. Too excited and happy. Hi, buddy. So happy here. It's so nice. Got a little pressed sandwich over here with some fries. Ernie's super excited about the fries. Oh my gosh, he's jumping down. He's jumping down from the other chair. He knows. He knows there's fries up there. Mom, I'm only going to give you a second and then I'm diving into those fries. Oh my gosh. Okay, calm down, calm down. I'll get you some. Okay. Yes, we can have some fries. We can have some fries. Oh, we're so happy. We're so happy. Okay. This is actually their signature sandwich. This is the Cuban. So it side there. Look at that. Looks good. All right. I'm gonna dive into the fries. Grab one here for Ernie, because he's being so good. Oh, happiness. Look at the tail. Oh, the buddy. Yeah, good job. Costa is so cool that the bar is up there, and they actually will come down to you here on the beach and bring you lunch. You can order, and they come down to you with the wait staff and bring you your food, and it's fantastic. You don't have to get up. They're very kind. As always, make sure you tip your server. They work hard, and we are going to dig into our lunch. Are you relaxing? Are you having a beautiful day at the beach here? Yes. I'm very comfortable in my chair with my blanket. You got a little towel, don't you? So cute. I'm so comfortable. Yes. This is a good day. Okay, we're going to wrap up this video of our time here at Costa with a view from our chairs. So pretty. This beach is beautiful. We love this resort. Thank you very much for your hospitality. Sorry we couldn't stay longer. It was a quick trip this time. Hopefully we'll be back soon. Guys, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Help us get seen by more folks on YouTube. Help grow our channel. We appreciate you, and we will see you guys again soon. Cheers.